Hey everyone, today I'm diving into something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi novel, but is actually available at your fingertips. It's about an AI called Heygen. Imagine cloning your voice and having it speak any language you want. Sounds wild, right? Well, let's get into how Heygen AI is making this possible. First off, what exactly is Heygen AI? It's a cutting-edge tool that uses artificial intelligence to clone your voice. Once it has a digital version of your voice, it can then translate your spoken words into multiple languages, all while keeping the unique tone and nuances of your voice intact. Now, why is this even important? Think about it. You could create personalized audio content for a global audience in their native language without ever needing a translator. Or imagine reading bedtime stories to your kids even when you're away on a business trip in your very own voice. The possibilities here are truly limitless. But how does it work? At its core, Heygen uses a technology known as voice synthesis. You record a few sentences in your language, and the AI analyzes the nuances of your speech, the pitch, the tone, even the emotional inflections. Then, using this model, it synthesizes your voice in any language you choose, from Spanish to Mandarin, making it sound like you've been speaking that language all your life. Is it perfect? Not entirely. Like any AI, it learns from data, so the more you use it, the better it gets at mimicking your voice in different languages. There might be some initial hiccups, like slight accents or unusual intonations, but it's constantly improving. And what about privacy? This is a big one. Heygen promises high-level encryption and assures users that their voice prints are securely stored. They claim that privacy and security are as important to them as the functionality of their AI. Still, it's always wise to read through their privacy policy yourself. So, who could benefit from using Heygen AI? Content creators can reach a wider audience without language barriers. Businesses can offer more personalized customer service. Even educators could use it to teach languages or provide learning materials in multiple tongues. Alright, I'm just scratching the surface here. The implications of a technology like Heygen AI are profound, altering how we might communicate in our increasingly connected world. So, if you're as intrigued as I am, why not give it a try? Maybe start by cloning your voice and having a chat in a language you've never spoken before. It's all about bridging gaps and connecting more deeply with each other, no matter where we are in the world. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights and updates. Catch you in the next one.